Hi, this is Nathaniel from the BYU Software Training Lab. In this video, I will be going over the basics of using frames in InDesign. Frames are the basis of any content in InDesign. Text can be typed or placed in a frame, along with images or graphics. The frame tool is found in the toolbar on the left-hand side. Your default frame tool is the rectangle frame tool. It looks like a rectangle with an X through the middle. If you right-click on the rectangle frame tool, you will see that you also have options for the ellipse frame tool and the polygon frame tool nested here as well. After selecting your desired frame shape, you can click and drag on your page in order to create a frame. If you want the dimensions to stay proportional to one another, hold the Shift key, then click and drag your frame. As you can see, this ensures that the frame is a perfect square. You can always tell that an object on the page is a frame because of the crossed blue lines through the middle of it. These will disappear once we fill the frame with content. Once we have some frames on our page, we can move them by selecting them with the Selection tool, shortcut V. This allows us to adjust the dimensions of the frame, move it around the page, and even rotate the frame if we want to. If you want to duplicate a frame, you can copy it with Control or Command C, or right-clicking the frame and selecting Copy, then pasting it with Control or Command V, or by right-clicking on the page and selecting Paste. You can delete frames by selecting them and pressing the Delete key on the keyboard. Another way that you can duplicate frames as well is by clicking the frame while holding Alt or Option, depending on if you're on a Mac or a PC, then clicking and dragging the frame to a new location. This will create an exact copy of the frame. You can select multiple frames at one time by holding Shift and selecting whichever frames you want to be selected. You can then follow the previous duplication steps to duplicate multiple frames at one time if desired. If you want to adjust any other frame settings, select the desired frame, and specific options will show up underneath the Properties window. You can adjust the fill color, the stroke color and size, which is basically the border of the frame. You can also align the frame right here, or even set text wrap settings regarding how text will react to the frame. Those are some basics of creating and modifying frames. In my next few videos, I will go over adding both text and images to frames. Thanks for watching.